To define your existence, you must relate to something, and scientific discoveries give you a tremendous advantage in understanding our existence. For this we must remember what we have found so far. Science has proven to be the best way to discover and define the world around us. This is because it is an extension of our 5 senses and shows a solid evolution of our knowledge. We now know how we evolved and also understand how we behave. We must remember that we are all one with the universe and, from what we know so far, the most complex existence. Now remember that we are created by our environment. It is important to know that in order to examine our perception of the world, which can be distorted because of an inadequate environment. Out of all the things we can analyze, the different forms filled with life on this planet, the incredible links between us and everything around, all these wonders, why the monetary system? Why this invention? We are here in 2011, according to some measurements invented by human beings, which relates to the Earth's rotation around its axis and around the Sun. We are restricted by the environment like never before, by the monetary system. To obtain food, we need money. The same goes for technology, health, access to information, and so on. Knowing that the environment has a significant influence on human behavior, let's analyze the environment we are in, the monetary system, because we depend on it. In order to survive, humans have had to organize themselves. Groups, tribes, and people began to help each other to get food. Then, with food control, cultivation, they began to manage it because they were unable to produce enough for everyone. This marked the beginning of slavery and barter, which later turned into a monetary system. History can be misguiding. That's why we will focus on the present. Because humans are one of the most numerous beings, and because they are the most evolved, they organize themselves. We currently have a money system. I mean, we invented some papers that you can obtain goods or services with. Papers that are scarce due to their complicated creation process. Invented scarcity. Remember that money is only an invention. I mean, if you don't assign any value to this paper, it doesn't have any. You cannot eat it. It doesn't serve as a surplus of oxygen or any other necessity of life. It's just paper, so its value is rendered by human imagination. Do not forget that the monetary system is based on continuous consumption. Goods and services must circulate in order to maintain the system, moving from producer to seller to consumer. Do not forget that fascism, communism, capitalism, or other isms are all monetary systems. To understand better, all countries that use money as value are monetary systems. In this system, you need these papers for everything, and to get them legally, you must obey the following.